Imagine walking down a street in a foreign country, looking at a menu you can't read, and having the translation appear instantly before your eyes. Or better yet, capturing a cinematic 2K vlog of your favorite vacation spot without ever lifting a finger. Welcome to the future of wearable tech. Today on TapTech, we're diving deep into the gadget that's sending shockwaves through the industry. The brand new Xiaomi Smart AI Glasses. Are these the ultimate Ray-Ban meta-killers, or just another overhyped prototype? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why these 40-gram spectacles might just replace your smartphone. For years, we've seen tech giants try and fail to make smart glasses look like, well, actual glasses. Google Glass looked like a sci-fi prop, and many AR headsets are just too bulky for a trip to the grocery store. But Xiaomi has cracked the code. At first glance, these look like high-end designer frames. They've utilized a lightweight titanium alloy and premium nylon, bringing the total weight down to just 40 grams. To put that in perspective, that's barely heavier than a standard pair of Ray-Bans. But don't let the slim profile fool you. Tucked inside these temples is a powerhouse of innovation. Let's talk about the lens technology first, because this is where it gets wild. Xiaomi is offering electrochromic lenses. If you aren't familiar with the term, it means you can change the tint of your glasses with a simple gesture. With a 2-finger swipe on the temple, the lenses shift from crystal clear to dark sunglasses in just 0.2 seconds. Whether you're moving from a dimly lit office to the bright Florida sun, your eyes are covered instantly. Now, let's get into the brain of the device. These glasses are powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon AR1 Gen 1 platform. This isn't just a basic BLUETOOTH chip. It's a dedicated engine designed specifically for AI tasks. This allows the glasses to handle real-time processing without that annoying lag we've seen in earlier models. And speaking of AI, let's discuss the feature everyone is talking about, the 12-megapixel Sony IMX681 sensor. Most smart glasses struggle with image quality, but Xiaomi has packed in 2K video recording at 30 frames per second. But it's not just about the resolution, it's about the integration. These glasses feature electronic image stabilization eyes, which means your POV vlogs will look buttery smooth, even if you're jogging or cycling. One of the most impressive authentic details we've confirmed is the AI visual assistant, known as Super Xiao AI. Imagine you're at a museum. You look at a painting and simply ask, "Who painted this?" The glasses use the camera to identify the artwork and give you a full history via the open-ear stereo speakers. It's like having a private tour guide living on your face, but it's not just for trivia. For the productivity junkies and professionals in the US and Europe, the real-time translation and meeting transcription are absolute game changers. The 5-microphone array is designed to isolate your voice and the person you're speaking to, providing live translations for up to 10 different languages. If you're in a business meeting, the glasses can transcribe the conversation and send a summary directly to your Xiaomi or Android device. Now, I know what you're thinking. With all these features, the battery must be terrible, right? Wrong. This is where Xiaomi actually beats the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. While the competition usually taps out around 4 hours, the Xiaomi AI glasses boast a 263 mAh silicon anode battery that delivers over 8.5 hours of continuous use. It's almost double the stamina. And when you do run low, you don't need a bulky proprietary case. There's a discrete USB-C port built right into the temple for fast charging. You can get a full charge in about 45 minutes. Let's talk about the open-ear audio system. Xiaomi has implemented a directional sound technology that aims the audio directly into your ear canal. This minimizes sound leakage, so the person sitting next to you on the train won't hear your private phone call or your favorite podcast. It also allows you to stay present in the world, which is a massive safety plus for people commuting in busy cities like New York or London. The ecosystem integration is another area where Xiaomi is flexing its muscles. If you have a Xiaomi Smart Home, these glasses become your ultimate remote. You can walk into your house and say, "Turn on the lights," or "Start the vacuum," and it happens instantly. It even supports QR code payments, though, currently. This feature is more prominent in certain regions. It shows the direction wearable tech is headed, of course. No piece of tech is perfect, and we have to be honest here on Tap Tech. Currently, many of the advanced AI features are optimized for the Xiaomi ecosystem. If you're an iPhone user, you might find the integration a bit more limited compared to the seamless experience on HyperOS. Additionally, while the 2K video is great for social media, it won't replace a dedicated mirrorless camera for professional work. But considering the price point starting at approximately $280, the value proposition is insane. You're getting a high-quality camera, an AI translator, a personal assistant, premium audio, all wrapped in a frame that looks good enough for a fashion runway. So is it time to ditch the smartphone and go island on smart glasses? Maybe. Not quite yet, but we are getting remarkably close. The Xiaomi Smart AI Glasses represent a massive leap forward in making AI wearable and invisible. They are practical, stylish, and most importantly, they actually solve problems rather than just being a gimmick. If you're a tech enthusiast who loves being on the bleeding edge, or a content creator looking for that perfect first-person perspective, these are a must-buy. Thank you for watching this deep dive on Tap Tech. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more authentic tech reviews and leaks. We want to hear from you. Would you wear these every day? Or are you waiting for the next generation? Let us know in the comments below. I'm your host, and I'll see you in the next one, where we'll be unboxing the latest flagship that everyone's been waiting for. Don't miss it.